Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Yeah, Tweet is being really weird this morning. She's in an interesting mood. She's trying to mate with my finger this morning. Oh, Tweety, stop! Oh, what's going on with you, man? Look, yeah, in this video, Tweety, what is wrong with you, man? Yep, this is what happened when you own a bird. Once in a while, she just wanna be in the intimate. I just stopped that right there. You just use your imagination. Yeah. What is it? What is wrong with you? In this video, I'm going to talk about which vacuum cleaner that you need when you own pet birds, or when you own parakeets or green-cheeked conure or any parrots, you know. Because what happens is when you own pet birds and parrots, they can be very messy. There are days when, you know, everything is so cute, everything is fine. Like right now, everything is so cute. But there are days when they're so annoying, especially the conures. Parakeet, actually, I love the parakeet because they don't, you know, create that much trouble. But conure and their mischief, oh my goodness. Like Sky, my parakeet, used to chew on my blinds. We have blinds in the background, and Sky chewed everything before he died. So that's his legacy. Yeah, there are times you just wanna open a cookbook here, you know, like the 100 ways how to cook a conure, because they are so annoying sometimes. It's not always good, you know. They're like kids, you know. They can be very sweet, and one day they just decide, you know, I'm gonna be really annoying. Like right now, Tweety is being very sweet. I love you. Thank you so much for being sweet. So yeah, anyway, in this video, how do you keep your house clean, and what kind of vacuum cleaners that you need when you have, especially more than one bird, because they can be really messy. What happened is, we try with Dyson. This one is a Dyson V6. This one was really cheap. This one is really good to keep their cage clean. It's a cordless, and you can rechargeable. You don't have any cord, which is really nice. The thing is with green-cheeked conure, when they eat, they're really messy. Especially Polly. Polly is super messy. She will spread the seed all over the carpet, and this is a lifesaver, especially when you have like more than one bird, because they can be really messy. And this one is really good for cleaning their cage. It's not as powerful as the newer Dyson, but this V6 is getting cheaper. We bought it refurbished on eBay for like $155. So I'm really happy about the Dyson V6. It's been like at least 2 years. It's been working really well. Yeah, we used to have Dyson DC32, the big one, but that didn't work really well because it's really heavy, and you have to plug the, you know, the vacuum cleaner, and then you have to unwind the cable, and you start to do this. Now, if you have big vacuum cleaner, it will work, but it's gonna make your life really difficult. So yeah, if you own more than one bird or even a bird, this Dyson V6 for cleaning their cage is really, really, really good. So yeah, and then the thing is, okay, that's just for the cage. What about your house? They create mess everywhere. Yeah, okay. Now you're scared, right? Yeah, if for those of you who own birds, you know what I'm talking about, right? They create mess everywhere. So we tried this one before. This one didn't work really well. It's called Shark 5-star. But the thing about this Shark Rocket, it's not cordless. Look at this. In the beginning it was okay, but it gets annoying after a while because you have to plug the vacuum. But like otherwise, it's very light, the Shark Rocket. So it's alright. I mean, I don't recommend it. I will just go straight to Dyson. It's really cheap. It was on sale for $169. That's why I bought it. And then this thing already broke, the attachment. This thing gave up on us because, you know, I have like my wife and daughter. They shed hairs everywhere. So yeah, this thing caught hair, and then it finally gave up. And with Polly and Tweety and Noel stuff, yeah, the shark rocket stopped working within like probably like 6 months. So I'm really disappointed. I mean, for 169, it already broke. I mean, the attachment, but the vacuum itself is still working. Yeah, this one, it's okay. 169, it will work just fine. The only problem is it's not as powerful as the one that I'm about to show you. Yeah, so if your budget is around 169 or 150, these two, the Dyson V6 and Shark Rocket, is really good. The difference between these two is the Shark Rocket using what? Cable. The Dyson is cordless that you can recharge. So you don't have to have, after you recharge it, unplug it from the recharger, and you can start cleaning their cage and the surrounding. The problem with this one is it's not good for the whole house. Do you see that? It's so small. This is only for the cage. For the shark, this is good for the cage as well as your house, but it doesn't last very long. I'm pretty disappointed. Yeah, it already broke. I need to call Shark and to tell them that this thing broke already. Yeah, this thing gave up on us, the tip for brushing the floor. So yeah, this is really good for the cage as well as your house. Yeah, it's called Shark Rocket. It says versatile cleaning floor and ceiling. This is really good too. If your bird, like poop all over the, what do you call it, ceiling area, you can actually grab this thing and clean it up. And the one that I really love, that we just bought and is not cheap, is the Dyson Animal. And Polly hates this thing. Yes, Polly. Yes, Polly. Yeah, the reason why Polly is inside the cage, she freaked out every time she see this Dyson. Yeah, this is the Dyson Cyclone V10. It's not even V8. I skipped the V8. As you can see, it's the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. If you have pet, cats, dogs, or any pet that shed hairs, especially and then for human hairs too. My wife and daughter, they have long hairs, so this thing really cut the hair, and it's really easy to clean the hair. In this area, you just have open this thing, and then you can clean everything up. Yeah, I really like this Dyson. This one is really good because it's really good for cleaning the cage. It's also cordless. As you can see, it's very powerful. And you may want to sit down and take a deep breath before I tell you how much it costs. So yeah, this thing comes, I will tell you how much after I'm done explaining it. This is cordless, and the cool thing about this, it has a lot of attachment. This is for really good for cleaning the whole house, this attachment. And Polly is freaking out, so I don't want to. And this one, when you're done vacuuming, it's really neat because look at this. See that? Once the canister, look, it will push the stuff, the human hair, pet hair, out of the canister. You don't have to shake it like the old ways. You just have to look, see that? Whoa, sorry. But yeah, but that's what I'm talking about. The stuff will just go all over the place, and it's super powerful. And yeah, it looks like a little gun and very powerful. And the Dyson comes, and Paul is freaking out, so I don't want to turn this thing on. Yeah, it comes with like this different attachment for like reaching tight places. And this another attachment for like a small, if you want to clean the cage, you just plug it in like that, and then that's it. So it's gonna look like the Dyson V6. I mean the Dyson V8, V10 is better. The V10 Cyclone for animal. This look, it's a lot bigger. This is the V6. Yeah, this is a little bit weaker. This is so powerful, and it comes with this attachment. This brush attachment. I mean, you can buy more if you go to Dyson website, and it comes with like 4 different attachments, for like tight places. And if you have to, actually, if you want to clean stuff in the ceiling, you can use this one too. This thing is detachable. See that? This is if you want to reach something. We've been cleaning our air vent with this too, and it's amazing. Yeah, so yeah, I love this one, the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. If you own pet, this thing is super good. I'm really happy with the Dyson Cyclone V10, and yeah, it's really worth it to buy it. But you may want to sit down before I tell you how much it costs. the Dyson V10 Cyclone animal cost? Can you take a wild guess? When I bought it, $500 and $599 at Best Buy. So, yep, but it's really worth it to us because we have birds. We have, you know, there are three of us, three birds, three humans, and my wife and daughter have long hair, so their hair is all over the floor. The bird stuff is all over the carpet. So, yeah, this thing doesn't tangle as bad as the shark. The difference between the Dyson is the shark couldn't handle human hair. I mean, for pet, it's okay. It depends how bad your pet shed, you know. If your pet, we used to have a husky, a Siberian husky. You know, my aunt and my uncle. Man, that, I mean, she's sweet, but boy, she shed a lot of hair. We have a lot of hair on the carpet. So yeah, so there you go. You have like three choices. If your budget is around $155 to $200, the Dyson V6 is really good just for the cage, okay? For the whole house, I don't recommend it. It's really weak. But if you want something that can work for the whole house as well as your bird, I recommend you to get the Dyson V10 Cyclone Animal. There are three versions. There's the normal one, there is the animal, and there is they call it, I forgot the other one. It's like almost $700. I said, forget that. I don't want to spend $700. I mean, $599 is already bad enough. I mean, you can also buy the Shark Rocket if your budget is around the same, $159 to $200. This is really good for cleaning the whole house as well as the bird cage. Also, it's detachable. See that? And you can, there's a smaller attachment that I can't find for this video, but it comes with like I think 2-3 more attachments for cleaning your cage. The only problem that, or the thing that, not a problem, is just something that I don't like about the Shark is still using cable, which is, it can be a hassle sometimes because you have to unplug it and you have to plug it back in, unplug, and then you have to. With the Dyson, you don't have any cable. Look at that. Once you're done with the Dyson, the Dyson has, whoa, I was about to suck myself in there, like that. But anyway, yeah, it has, they call it a charging station. I can just put this thing in the docking charging station and it's ready to go again. So yeah, it's really, really neat, guys. If you own a pet bird or any pet, this 3 vacuums actually can really help, you know, manage the mess. Like Polly is really freaking out, and yeah, that's the thing. Before you vacuum your carpet, it's wise to put your bird inside the cage because they will go crazy. It scares them because any foreign object, it will scare them. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much again for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye.